Because if you start in the inner corner, you're going to get really harsh, and that's not what you want. So start towards the middle and towards the outside, and just sweep in your crease. You're just sweeping right in that area. And I really hope that this camera has enough payoff to show you guys the difference. And you're just going to drag it in a little bit. Try and keep your inner corner as light as possible. Like I talked about earlier, it makes your eyes pop. So I'm just going to kind of do this a little bit more. You definitely, like I said, want a little bit more dramatic than you would naturally wear. And it may look a little harsh when you first start off. You can always blend, which is what the next step is going to be. And you're just going to kind of flick. Now, this pretty much looks like this, except we're going to take, this is just an Estee Lauder. It's just another little light, fluffy brush. If you're going to use, like, the same one that you used to do the black, just make sure you clean it off, like, with a wet towel or something. I'm actually going to clean this off really fast, because it was a blending one. And you're going to take it, and before anything, you just kind of want to come in here and take the white that's from the top and blend. Just get that harsh line and make it softer and come all the way in. When you come on the inside of here, start pushing out this way, because if you push in this way, then you're going to take all of this black pigment and get it into the corner of your eye, and that's not what you want. You want the corner of your eye to be nice and bright, nice and white and bright. I'm just going to keep blending. Okay, and you kind of see the effect. It kind of just makes it nice and light. And then I'm going to take my LA Colors palette again and just take some white out of that. And I'm just going to go right here in the center. Up into my eyebrow again. And I'm actually going to fix this side. One of the beautiful things about makeup is it's never going to be the same. It's never going to be the same on both sides. That's just it. You can try and get it as close as possible, but it will never be the same. Okay? Now, what we're going to do, you're going to get fallout under your eyes from the black pigment and stuff, so you're just going to kind of blend that in, and it'll just blend right into your skin. Just keep outside. Alright. Now, I just bought this, and I didn't really like the payoff, but because I use it on this side, I'm going to use it on this side. I think I might actually go with the other liquid liner that I have been using. But I bought this at Walgreens for $1.99, and it's called In Color Fabu Liner. And what it is it's a liquid liner pin. It kind of has like a nice little, I guess like, I want to say like a calligraphy tip pin. I don't know, that's probably not right at all, but this is what it looks like. And it makes several, here, I'll show you guys on my hand. It makes several different sizes of lines. You guys can see that. It makes tons of different sizes of lines. And when it's dry, it doesn't really come off. So, I'm going to take I have like a wet washcloth right here. I'm just going to take that and scrub that off. The one that I'm probably going to use, one that I'm probably going to use when it comes to actual competition time is this Beauty Treats liquid liner. It's just like a liquid liner. Pretty simple. I got this this one I got at Earrings and Gifts also, which is where I got the other Beauty Treats palette, which is this one, and where I got the NYX black eyeshadow. So you can get a lot of your makeup from Earrings and Gifts, which is over by the old Walmart, those of you who don't know. But because I use this one on the other side, on this side, I'm going to use it on this side. And you guys can kind of see. So really, it depends on what kind of liquid liner you like. Some people don't even like liquid liners, so I'm sorry, but it's what we're going to be using. So what you're going to do, and it may go, you may not be able to see it. So you're just going to trace right in your lash line. And you want to get it as close, and not, I don't want to say as thick as possible, but you want to have a pretty thick line. I'll fix up this side and you guys can kind of see. You kind of want like a thicker line because, like I said, dramatic on the competition floor is definitely a lot better. Now you're going to go all the way in, but make sure that you don't hit your bottom lash. And it's kind of, I think it's going to go out of focus. You just want to get it right next to that lash line. Something just flew out of my eyelash. You just want to get it right up in there. Okay, and then because you have kind of this flip out shape on this side, I like to kind of just tug. Don't pull it all the way out because that's going to cause wrinkles when you get older, which is a little tip I learned. You just kind of want to pull and then flick out. Not Egyptian, not all the way out. Don't trace all this thing. Just kind of flick it out in the same shape. I'm going to go ahead and feel the same. Yeah, I would definitely use a different, I don't really recommend this. I don't know. I don't recommend it for competition, is what I should say. I would definitely wear this if I was like going out or, you know, just a simple, classic black line dye. But not for competition. Not dramatic enough.